Hello and good afternoon, everyone. Adam here at Kinion Classic Cars, Clarence, Iowa. This afternoon, we are doing a walk-around startup and a drive video on one badass 1970 Chevrolet Camaro. What an awesome car. This car was bought new by this gentleman's mom. I guess he couldn't get the loan for the car. He had a good job, but he couldn't get a loan for the car. So his mom bought him this car, kept it for all these years, and then he made it into what it is today. It has a lot of original paperwork with the car, original Protecto plate, owner's manual. He had every payment receipt, every payment book from all the payments he made to the bank on this car. It has a 454 under the hood, Edelbrock aluminum heads, long tube headers, scatter shield, scatterproof bell housing, 5-speed Tremec transmission, Dana 60 rear end. This car is just badass. The body, the paint, the interior, this thing is just so nice. The seats, the carpeting, the door panels, the dash, just an absolute stunning car. Does have a roll cage in it. This bar here does come out. Obviously, it's out right now. I bought this car the other day from a buddy of mine, and what an awesome car. He's right. It's 100% badass. Gorgeous car. The paint, the body, the interior, like I say, just absolutely stunning. It is so fun to drive. We're gonna take it out for a drive here in just a little bit. It's got 4-wheel disc brakes. It's got rack and pinion steering, aluminum radiator, Edelbrock aluminum heads, Edelbrock aluminum intake. It does have nitrous on it. The nitrous has never been turned on the car. So if you buy it and you wanna turn the nitrous on, go for it. Dual electric fans. The paint is very, very nice. The body, super, super nice, very solid. Just a well-kept car. $1970, that's a good year. The doors open and shut nice, the gaps are nice. It's got electric exhaust cutouts on it with a little remote. I'll show you that here in a second as well. Tilt steering column. Look at that. The clock and the dash in this car even works. Neutral safety switch works. Headlights work, dash lights work, horn works, wipers work, tach works, left turn, right turn. Tail lights brochures, cam specs on the engine, just all kinds of paperwork. Original owner's manual, original protecto plate. There's just all kinds of paperwork here. How clean that thing is. And I'm telling you what, this thing is an absolute riot to drive.